about half a mile, just over half.
Okay, so this boat here is a Quicksilver 450R. It's got a short shaft 50 Mercury on it with power trim. It's a 2-stroke motor. Very, very quick boat. For a rib, excellent speeds. Not the most stable, but anyway. This the boat I'm getting again the walk around video, and you can see it obviously running because that's the video a bit up for sound now. Since then, I think I'm going to fit a seat and make another video on this boat because I do really like it. But yeah, I bought this boat down in Cornwall. I gave it a whiz around. It's not really jet skiing weather, so I thought I'm going to take a boat out today. Went out on it for an hour. Very quick boat, good in the rough weather. It got, you know, you got about half a metre high waves, something like that. It wasn't too choppy, but we went out in that, jumped a few boats wake, and it was very, very good at that. It wasn't, like I say, it wasn't the most stable boat in the world. You know, when I was flying around with boys and whatnot, seeing what it was like, you know, cornering and all that sort of stuff. It doesn't cut through a water like a sea rider, but I knew that already. It's got a very, very shallow hull on it, really, in comparison to a lot of other boats. So yeah, we took this out. You're going to see the water test of it, the speed test on it. That's my phone. So yeah, I thought it was a very good boat. Okay, right. Let's get out of the phone. Alright, it's going to be a bit, I guess sketchy is a word to describe this. I haven't used this app before. Measure your speed with ease at any time. Right, I'm not sure about ease in this situation. Okay. Got a missed call, hang on, what's it? Oh, it's my, okay, right, hello. Okie dokie, next. I don't know where to put it. If I put it in here, we're going to put it in here and we're going to check the final speed. I'm just going to do a straight run down the river. Don't want to lose the phone. It should tell us our maximum speed.